play Love Lies by Khalid. We got a capo on our 2nd fret. We're in standard tuning. Not going to go over the chords, I'm just going to show you the shapes right on the spot, and then how to transition and finger pick along the way. So we're going to start out with our index finger on this 1st fret of the G string. That's your 3rd string up, 1, 2, 3. Middle finger is going to be on the 2nd fret of the D, and that's your 3rd string down, 1, 2, 3 strings down. And your pinky is going to stretch all the way over here to the 4th fret of the A string. And now we're going to pick our A, D, and G strings, and back to your D string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, you're going to drop this pinky. You're going to move your ring finger up to the 2nd fret of the A string. That's your 2nd string down, 1, 2. Then we're going to play A, D, G. Now we're going to drop this ring finger and your index finger if you'd like as well. Then we're going to play A, D, and then instead of playing this G, we're going to play our high B string. And then that's it. So, starting out from the beginning here, we have at full speed it sounds like this. And that's all there is to it, and that riff's played throughout the entire song. There are a couple other licks in the song, but that's the bass one that goes throughout, and that's all I'm going to teach you in this tutorial. If you have questions, please comment below. If you'd like to see more tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.